Hey guys, today we are going to be making these mini key lime cheesecakes. They are so creamy, sweet, tangy, and full of key lime flavor. They are seriously so delicious. Please like and subscribe and follow me on my social media. So first, preheat the oven and line a muffin tin with muffin liners to prevent the cheesecakes from sticking to the pan. So first, we are going to make our crust by adding graham crackers to a food processor. These are homemade graham crackers. Check my Instagram for the recipe. And just blend these until they turn into graham cracker crumbs. Next, add in some sugar. This helps the graham cracker crust stay together, and also a pinch of salt for flavor. Next, add in some melted butter or coconut oil. And blend all of these together until it forms a wet sand consistency. Evenly divide the graham cracker crust among the 6 muffin tins. I use a scale for the most accurate measurements. Press down the crust using your hands, or you can use a spoon or a small cup. Bake the crust until it is all firmed up. While the crust cools down, we are going to make the filling. Add some room temperature cream cheese to your food processor. And just blend the cream cheese until it is nice and smooth. Next, add in room temperature Greek yogurt. And add granulated sweetener of choice. Blend these ingredients until smooth. Add in some eggs, along with lime zest and lime juice. Blend everything together one final time. Divide the batter evenly between the 6 muffin tins. And bake these cheesecakes until set. Refrigerate overnight before enjoying. These are seriously so good. They are full of that zesty lime flavor, and they are sure to impress any friends or family. They are the perfect dessert for summer. They are super cool and refreshing. Thanks for watching.